Okay, so I created Transform 30 because there's a huge need, obviously, for people to lose weight out there. But the traditional weight loss companies and programs end up not working for one reason or another. What you want is not so much weight loss. What you want is increase in lean body mass, decrease in body fat. Decrease in body fat means that you're actually letting go of the toxicity in the body, because a lot of the toxins that are on our planet today, the average person tests for 800 different chemicals. These are fat-soluble toxins, like pesticides that live in your fat cells. And you are exactly the weight you need to be given the toxicity in your body. So we want to detoxify people with plants, with whole foods. But we also want to help them build up healthy tissue, rejuvenation. Most detox programs are just one-sided. You want both a detoxification and a rejuvenation system. So you want to build back up good organ tissue, muscle tissue that is healthier, so people can live longer, healthier, more productive lives. You want to challenge yourself for 30 days to see and prove to yourself through your own personal experience how powerful nutrition can be. And when you can give people just enough results to see a difference in 30 days, 30 days can change your life. That's the purpose.